Welcome to Module 3, Section 2 of your California Contractor License Exam Prep course. In this lesson, we'll focus on the fundamentals of measurement, conversions, and abbreviations you'll encounter every day on remodeling projects. Accurate measurements are the foundation of every estimate, layout, and build decision you make. A single mistake in reading a tape measure, converting units, or misunderstanding an abbreviation on a plan can lead to ordering the wrong materials, cutting lumber incorrectly, or wasting time and money on rework. For a B2 residential remodeling contractor, precision in measurement is just as important as the tools and skills you bring to the job. Measurement basics start with understanding the tools you use. A standard tape measure is marked in inches and feet, typically showing 1/16 of an inch for precise readings. Being able to quickly and accurately read these increments is essential. For example, a cut listed as 5 7/16 inches means 5 inches plus 7 of the 16 equal divisions between inch marks. Contractors often work with fractions, so understanding how to read and convert them, such as knowing that 8/16 equals 1/2, is key to avoiding mistakes. Digital tape measures and laser measuring devices are also common on modern job sites, but you still need to understand fractional and decimal equivalents to work effectively with plans and specifications. The construction industry uses a mix of measurement systems, primarily imperial, feet, and inches, in the United States, but you may also see metric units on imported materials or manufacturer specifications. As a contractor, you need to know how to convert between units quickly and accurately. There are several essential conversions to memorize or have readily available. Inches to feet. 12 inches equals 1 foot feet to yards. 3 feet equals 1 yard square feet to square yards. 9 square feet equals 1 square yard cubic feet to cubic yards. 27 cubic feet equals 1 cubic yard inches to millimeters. 1 inch is almost equal to 25.4 millimeters feet to meters. 1 foot is almost equal to 0.3048 meters. Being able to convert between linear, area, and volume measurements ensures you order the right amount of material. For example, when pouring a concrete slab, you may have measurements in feet but need to calculate the required concrete in cubic yards for ordering. A slab 10 feet long, 8 feet wide, and 4 inches deep requires converting 4 inches to feet, for divided by 12 is equal to 0.333 feet. Then multiplying 10 times 8 times 0.333 is equal to 26.64 cubic feet. Divide this by 27 to get roughly 0.99 cubic yards, meaning you'll need about 1 cubic yard of concrete. Understanding standard abbreviations used on plans and in material specifications is equally important. Common abbreviations include LF, linear feet, SF, square feet, CY, cubic yards, EA, each, O, diameter, CL, centerline, OC, on center, and NM, nominal. Misinterpreting these can lead to costly errors. For example, if spacing studs 16 inches OC, it means each stud is placed so that its center is 16 inches from the center of the next, not 16 inches from edge to edge. When reading blueprints or job documents, you'll also encounter symbols and shorthand for dimensions. A single quote indicates feet, while a double quote indicates inches. A dimension listed as 8 feet 6 inches means 8 feet 6 inches. Understanding this notation and being comfortable switching between mixed units is part of everyday construction math. Another aspect of measurement accuracy is accounting for material waste and allowances. Rarely can you order exactly the calculated square footage of tile, drywall, or flooring and have no waste. Cuts, patterns, and mistakes require adding a waste factor, typically 5 to 15% depending on the material. Calculating and applying this factor ensures you have enough materials to complete the project without delays from running short. Precision in measuring and converting units also helps with compliance and inspections. Building codes specify clearances, spacing, and tolerances for many tasks. For example, a stair tread depth or railing height that is even a fraction of an inch outside code requirements can fail inspection, requiring rework. Contractors who master measurement basics avoid these problems and complete projects more efficiently and professionally. Your ability to take accurate measurements, perform conversions, and understand abbreviations impacts every part of a remodeling job, from estimating materials and labor costs to cutting and assembling components on site. Strong measurement skills prevent waste, protect your profits, and ensure code compliance, making them a critical part of your success as a B2 contractor. In upcoming lessons, we'll apply these skills to calculating areas, volumes, and other construction math tasks frequently tested on the CSLB exam and essential for real-world project management.